Video I'm going to show you how to fix Hulu app network error easy and quick. So the solution is very easy. Watch and follow this video till the end. Open the settings of your device first. Click next on apps option and search for Hulu app here. When you find it, click. After this you will see this list, scroll it little down, click on storage. Here be careful, click just clear cache. After that back, click on force stop in the corner of the screen, click OK. Next, go turn on the airplane mode, turn off it, then go to Play Store or App Store. If you use a phone, update Hulu app if the update is available. Start next to your phone, and that's all. Guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel. See you next video.